Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to limit hotspot users on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, in situations where multiple users want to connect to your hotspot, limiting the number of connections ensures fair usage and prevents one user from monopolizing the available bandwidth. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first of all, go ahead and open settings on your device. Well, next you can select connections menu. And on this page, look for mobile hotspot and tethering, so tap on it. Okay, next tap the first option. After that, click any box here to see advanced settings. And click the option. So select broadcast channel and you can select the number of limit according to your preferences and needs. Well, so that your hotspot network will be connected with the maximum number of limit you have set before. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to limit hotspot users on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.